You're beautiful.
I don't know. Two eyes.
Yes, you have two eyes. Okay, fly away, fairy butterfly. Go down the hall. Fly away. Flap your wings. The happy little fairy butterfly.
I can fly the sky. What? I can fly the sky.
You can fly in the sky.
I'll be right back.
Oh, okay, you're going to go fly in the sky? Way up high? You and I?
Okay.
You going to go run outside? Fly, fly away.
Here, you can hold my juice.
Okay.
I can't do it. I don't fly in the sky.
Oh, you don't fly in the sky? It's not working? Well, just make believe like you're flying in the sky. Just run around the yard. Well, here, I'll show you how.